What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. I finally am doing another video. Jesse and Ella are gone, unfortunately, for 2 weeks, and today I'm doing a pretty fun photo shoot at my friend Alberto's house. Yeah, so he has a Lambo, he has a Z06, he has a few other cars, and what I'm about to do right now is just run down there. And like I just said, I just wake up from nap. I just woke up from nap, so I'm kind of like, but let's go start the car up. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh my God. That's holy crap, that was loud. Oh my God, that was really loud. It sounds like there's like there's a little slap when it starts up. You guys can't hear in the video. Like, so maybe you can't hear it in this video, but on my phone you can't hear it. So let's hurry to go to Alberto's, have some fun. Here. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at the gate. Look at the gate. AR, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Lambo. Okay, I gotta put the camera down now. Got everything set up for me. Can't focus. There we go. Woo! Let's do it. Now this is what I call a photo shoot, ladies and gentlemen. Lambo, Maserati on the other side, Mustang in the back. SVR, Range Rover, or maybe it's not SVR, it's a Range Rover. And you got Charger right there. I'm at the top of a very tall ladder. I'm not a big fan of heights, but if I fall, it'll be pretty cool. I fall in front of all this stuff. I'm sweaty, very sweaty. Yeah, look at him. Yeah, buddy, hold on. Yeah. Alright guys, so check this out. I had an idea of the gate opening really slow and kind of showing the Lambo and everything. But, you see that mark on the tree right there? Get a little closer. See those little stripes on the tree look like tiger stripes, whatever? Alright guys, so what I was saying was, you see that thing is not on the gate? Lightning struck this tree, bang, and cut the lines that connected to the sensor or whatever, so that hurt. So what we got here, guys, is a Fox body, 650 horsepower, Z06, 650 horsepower, I'm pretty sure. Yep, 650 manual, and you know that's my baby. LP640 Murcielago, 2000 whatever year. Window is completely blacked out. It's amazing. It's a little rough around the edges, but it's like really cool. That's my favorite car ever. Not the best car to actually drive, but you know, it's the most fun car to actually drive. A Maserati, don't know how much horsepower that's a Maserati. Range Rover, keep it coming. Stop right there. Range Rover sounds pretty damn good. Guess we're all wrapped up here. I want to move the Lambo for you guys, so you guys how that works out. It's not very easy to drive. It's a huge chore. You guys know which one I'm hopping in. My baby. My name is LamboDEB, so it's only appropriate. But he held the unlock button down and weird. Alright. He held the unlock button down and there it goes. Yo, this is the weirdest. There's bugs everywhere. Put this window down, middle. Put this down, because I can't see. His window tints are like dark. It's like the weirdest way to sit in this car. It is so much. Oh my God, I love it so much. Reverse button is on the side right there. It's the weirdest car to drive. I gotta put this down because I can't see. Yeah. I'm taking the Lambo, baby, across town, kinda. Gotta do this. Oh my God. I can't thank Alberto enough for this. He's let me drive my freaking dream car. one of my #1 dream cars. I was really hoping I was gonna get to drive this. Get some exhaust clips for you guys. He's already leaving me. Wow. I can't see anything anywhere. Put the front lift down. Wow. Wow, guys. Probably the craziest car I've driven on my channel yet. Well, I did drive this car on my channel one time already. Woo! Got me a little car coming. Good thing I know where his house is at. Oh my god. Like the nicest guy ever, man. That's what everybody says. Oh, is that Alberto's car? Yeah. Oh my god, Alberto's the nicest guy ever. Yes, he freaking is. He's let me drive this car out to in the world. But let somebody do that like me. So this has been my #1 dream car since I was in like 4th grade, whenever I first learned about Lamborghinis. First one's a Gallardo. My friend Zach, which he passed away earlier this year from a motorcycle accident, R.I.P. He taught me about Lamborghinis. We played the nightclub together. He's the one that got me into Lamborghinis. He's the one that got me into cars heavily, and he passed away earlier this year. So, but yeah, now I'm just in my. He would love it. I mean, I wish I could send it. I wish I could show him this. He would love to see this. Because he's the one that, I remember he told me, we would say Lamborghini, but it's actually Lamborghini, and I would keep calling it Lamborghini. I spelled it like that when I was in 4th grade. I spelled it like Lamborghini. He was like, no, what the heck is wrong? It's Lamborghini. You just say it like Lamborghini, whatever. But yeah, this is, I don't even know what year this is, but this is, it takes some getting used to, because I'm pointing this way, but I'm driving this way. And my feet are like, I don't know. This is crazy, man. I don't even know. I'm gonna turn the camera off so I can just enjoy this moment. Black guy in a Lambo, and this is my hometown too, man. This is crazy. I remember like riding the bus right here. Just like always talking about Lambos on the bus in this exact same spot in this area. Okay, sport mode. Woo! Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Neutral for you guys. That's so fun. There's people looking and everything. This is crazy. Or something. There's a bunch of people walking on the side of the road. Wow, there's a lot of people see me driving this car. There's a lot of people see. I feel good. There's a lot of people see me. I never had as much attention driving my car. It is turning heads like crazy. Except for his head. He didn't care. It's cops. He couldn't see me wave because the windows were tinted, and I'm black. Okay, there's like a police event or something going on over here. This hospital they're opening up. There's like, I mean, a million cop cars right now. Like a lot of cop cars. Turning all kinds of heads. People got their cameras out and everything. This is crazy. Just so happened to be on Snapchat, like just so happened to be on Snapchat, and turned around and saw the Lambo. What? Woo! There's a moped there. That's why we were driving so slow. Oh my God, the camera's pointing up. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. As you saw, we had to drive. I thought we were gonna come back and drive another car back to wherever, but he, family, baby was crying, all that stuff. But, I will see you, oh, what am I doing? Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share for more stuff like this. I think the next photo shoot I got coming up is a 1,000 or 1,100 horsepower Jeep Trackhawk, okay? That's crazy. He probably won't let me drive it, but we're definitely gonna ride in that. Let's see, next, I definitely want to do some more videos of Ricky, 720S and all that stuff. Let's see, Thursday I'm going to Charlotte, which I don't know when I'm going to upload this video. I might upload it tonight since I don't have anything to do. I'm going to Charlotte on Thursday, McLaren the Lamborghini, just to, you know, do some videos and stuff. And then, let's see what else. What other stuff? I think I got some, I think I'm missing something, but you guys make sure you like, comment, subscribe, like, share, blah, 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 blah. And I will see you when I see you.